Writing style, engaging. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving headfirst into a hotbed of political tension, Zimbabwe. Now, buckle up, because this is not just another political story. This is about broken promises at the highest levels of government. Let's set the scene. We're talking about the relationship between two of Zimbabwe's top political figures, President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. A tale of ambition, expectation, and alleged betrayals that could rival any political thriller. Back in 2017, Zimbabwe saw a dramatic change in leadership. Robert Mugabe, the long-standing ruler, was ousted, and in came Mnangagwa, with Chiwenga by his side. Rumors swirled about an agreement, a gentleman's pact, if you will, where Mnangagwa would serve one term before passing the baton to Chiwenga. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, not so fast. Fast forward to today, and the atmosphere is thick with tension. Mnangagwa seems poised to break that agreement, aiming for a second term. You can imagine, Chiwenga is not pleased. The promise of power deferred appears to be power denied. This brewing storm isn't just a personal drama. It has significant implications for the people of Zimbabwe and the political landscape at large. With elections on the horizon, the stakes are sky high. Will this alleged broken agreement split their party? Or worse, could it lead to political instability? I'm here to peel back the layers of this complex story, giving you the insights and analysis you need to understand what's really going on behind the closed doors of power. So, stay tuned, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.